How to transfer USDT from spot to P2P in Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to transfer USDT from spot to P2P in Binance. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, you have to first of all log in into your Binance account. For that, type in binance.com. Enter in your credential and log in into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you have to click on the icon located in the top right hand side and a drop down menu appears. From there, you have to go ahead and click on Overview. You have to go ahead and click on the transfer button from the top right hand side. And here you need to go ahead and select the fiat or the spot and to which account you're transferring to. Enter in the coin or the exact amount and confirm the transaction by tapping on the confirm button. Now that you've already transferred it, just go ahead and click on the transaction history from the top right hand side from the home page itself. And here you'll be able to see the timing and all that. So that's how you can transfer USDT from spot to P2P in Binance. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.